Whoa.
Michael, right?
No. Wrong car, mate. Wrong car.
Oh gosh,
this
I'm
is
so
Uber.
sorry. I'm
No.
so jet lagged.
No.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so jet lagged.
Hold on. Don't I know you from somewhere? You're Green Man Gaming.
Green Ham Gaming.
Green Ham Gaming.
No bloody way. No bloody
Whoa.
way. You've watched my videos?
Yeah.
You look kind of familiar yourself. You wouldn't happen to be
Techwen.
No bloody way.
What are you doing over here, mate?
Well, I was in Sweden. I'm on my way back. I was just going to hang in London for a couple of days. I got no idea what I'm going to do. But I'm here.
Oh, fair enough.
Well, good to meet you, though.
Yeah. Hold on, before you go.
Yeah.
I reckon, with our combined collaborative efforts, we could make a video for the people out there.
Out there.
Or should I say, out there.
Now that I like the sound of. But before we make a video, before we do anything, how about a cup of tea? Or maybe a beer if that's more your thing.
And come along for the ride.
What have you found?
Gaming laptop bundle, from what I can tell in the corner, a Ryzen.
For £100 you can have a Ryzen laptop?
Yeah.
On a, with Radeon graphics. That's what you want to see.
Yeah.
Like if you could get him down to 100, right? You know, you could pull the good old fashioned I'll come tonight with cash. There's a chance there.
Yeah.
I've gotten a lot of PCs cheap by doing that.
I saw this, and my mind started going on a tangent. We're looking at laptops, trying to get the most performance out of the laptop.
Yeah.
There are those that stick a PCIe graphics card into.
Yeah.
Goes off into a USB.
Yeah.
Graphics card, connect to your laptop that might not be that powerful but has an alright CPU.
Yeah. That's not a bad way to go.
Good morning, everyone. I've woken up to find a new lead on a laptop. It's very exciting.
Yeah. How far away?
About an hour.
Not bad.
So,
I don't even want to know what it is yet. I'm frightened.
no. We'll keep it that way for now.
But he's got a lead.
You'll get a pleasant surprise.
He's got a lead. We are
2 minutes away.
2 minutes away from picking up Techwen's £100 PC. Excited?
Indeed, I am very excited.
I love that. British road if I've ever seen one. Look at the amount of room you have.
Yep. That's why we like our small little cars.
I can tell why. Oh
Yeah.
my god. Fantastic.
Right, we've got to work out which one it is. I think it's this
Well.
one.
Fantastic.
Here we are.
Here he is. Wow, look at the size of it.
Yeah.
It's a monster.
Very looking forward to getting some games played on that.
Let's roll.
Yes.
Back in the diesel Golf.
So,
Look at what we have here.
got our goodies. Well, first of all, first thing to note, absolutely beefy power supply.
Holy crap, look at this
That is huge. Yeah, it was a really interesting story behind it. Basically, he works in sort of engineering, and this is what did all of his work, pretty much. And then they got rid of them all, because they swapped to newer Vostro machines, I believe they said. Taking a look under the lid. And there it is.
Wow.
That is incredible.
It's a monster.
That is absolutely huge.
It is an absolute monster. Look at the size of it.
Oh, wow. A behemoth.
Thickness of it. Wow. I mean, I hope this comes across on camera. Look, just wow.
So, what is my newly acquired Precision M6600 running? Well, our processing is brought to us from the i7-2760QM at 2.4 GHz, paired with 24GB of DDR3 memory. We also have a nice Quadro 3000M for all of our graphical processing needs. I think with these components paired together, I have a real fighting chance in this competition. Right, so Tim, I have a question for you. You've got me in the car, you've given me an address. What are we off to go collect?
I'm actually so intrigued to see what this PC can do. We're going to get an HP with an Athlon chip and Radeon graphics, and that is all we know. Maybe, just maybe, I've got Vega 3 graphics.
Interesting.
And if I've got Vega 3 graphics, then you're in trouble.
Yes.
But I am going to be really intrigued to see whether my Athlon will outdo the classic i7.
But then, yeah, as you say, we've got like a 6-7 year gap between the two.
Yeah.
A lot's changed, especially on AMD's side since then. So
Massively.
it's going to be interesting, for sure.
So I'm so excited to go and see what this is. We're in the legendary diesel Golf again.
Indeed we are.
What do you love about the diesel Golf, Owen?
The fuel mileage, for sure.
Yeah?
Yes, I mean, I've got about 180 miles left in the tank.
Yeah?
On this, since I've put in a full tank, I've done 450 miles, so...
What?
You know, we're close to 650, 700 miles out of this tank.
Out of one tank?
Yeah, it's a fantastic car.
That's bloody ridiculous.
Yeah. What have we got?
Mate, I tell
Got a
you
free
what,
bag with it.
we got a bag included.
Nice.
Thrown in for the deal. Check it out.
Perfect.
HP, have a look at that.
Yeah.
100-pound PC.
Perfect.
With an Athlon Silver and Radeon graphics. And it looks to be 1080p.
Nice. Wow. May beat me on that regard.
I'm so keen to see what this fucker can do. Let's hit the road.
Yeah, let's
We
get
got
it
a
home.
benchmark now. This is what we got to do.
Indeed.
We got a benchmark.
So let me introduce you to my 100-pound laptop. Owen's gone the classic power, I've gone the modern efficiency route. I bought a HP 15 GW0502SA. The CPU I've ended up with is the AMD Athlon Silver 3050U, with only 2 cores and 2 threads, and a 15-watt TDP. It's not exactly a powerhouse. In terms of RAM, this is really what's going to hold me back.
Oh no! That's not good.
I've only got 4 gigabytes, although it is DDR4 and it's 2400 megahertz. This would be the first thing I would upgrade if I were to spend some serious time with this laptop. Once again, with the graphics card On paper it seems interesting, but in practice it's not exactly a powerhouse. It's the RX Vega 2, which is based on the 2018 Vega Raven Ridge architecture. But let's let the benchmarks do the talking.
Uh-oh. Techwen over here is playing GTA 5 for the first time to test his PC. And oh my fucking gosh.
Look at that.
I am quite intimidated now. What settings were we on?
Yeah, keep in mind we are at 900p.
Yeah.
Obviously we're still doing better because we're above 720.
Yes.
But we're at the normal or lowest settings with no VSync enabled.
Bro, I mean, yeah, we're inside. I am a little bit intimidated.
Let's watch
now.
what the explosion does.
Yep. Oh, it didn't even dip below 30.
No.
Oh my god.
Maybe hit 38 FPS at its lowest there.
Oh my gosh. So I had this thought of like, how good would it be if no benchmarks, me and Techwen played one last round of Left 4 Dead and we used our 100-pound laptops to just have a bit of fun. So what do you think, Techwen? One final round of Left 4 Dead before this Aussie goes back home?
I reckon I can do that. Hold out your hand.
It's a deal.
Absolutely. We got trouble, Oh, jump, follow me, set me free. Trust me, we'll escape from the city. I'll make it through. Follow me.
Left 4 Dead with the Techwen.
Trust me, and we will escape from the city. I'll make it through into you.
Techwen. It's been a great few days. I raise my cup to use PCs. Thanks for the good times.
Thank you too, and thank you all very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you guys.
So, as the Dell comes out on top as the true winner, the same old tale is reaffirmed. Newer isn't always better, older can definitely give more price to performance. But what the HP lacked in power, it certainly makes up for in other categories. I certainly know what I'd choose to carry around in a backpack all day. The Dell has pure horsepower tattooed across its forehead, but the system certainly isn't light, portable or power efficient, with a battery runtime of about an hour in standby. Computing has come a long way in the generational gaps between these two, but for power, the thin and light HP was purely dominated by this beast of a workstation. On another note, this project has been incredible. For the person who left this comment 5 years ago, it finally happened.
This Australian's a long way from home.
I'm extremely grateful to Tim from Greenham Gaming for making this all happen. Thank you all very much for watching, and I shall certainly see you in the next one.